Mercury, the temperature hell. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, but being close to the Sun doesn't mean it's always hot. Mercury has no atmosphere to trap heat or block radiation, causing extreme temperature swings in the solar system. I'm landing on Mercury's dark side first. The surface temperature? A bone-chilling minus 180 degrees Celsius. That's colder than liquid nitrogen. 10 minutes in, and I'm shivering like I'm stuck in a snowstorm. My suit's beeping. Body temp's dropping to 35 degrees Celsius. I can't feel my toes. But wait, it gets worse. I'm not just freezing, I'm being bombarded by solar radiation 7 times stronger than Earth's, and there's no atmosphere to protect me. After 30 minutes, my muscles are stiff. Moving like wading through molasses, I am so sleepy. By 60 minutes, I'm a human popsicle. Core temp's 28 degrees Celsius, and I'm out cold, literally. Good night, Mercury. Now let's try the day side. The Sun appears 2.5 times larger here, and the surface temperature soars to 430 degrees Celsius. Hot enough to melt lead? 5 minutes. My suit's cooling system is failing. Core temperature rising to 39 degrees Celsius. The radiation is cooking me from the inside out. 10 minutes. At 42 degrees Celsius body temperature, I'm delirious. Heat stroke kicks in, and the radiation has turned me into a crispy astronaut. So I give Mercury a 3 out of 10 point. The views are cool, but dying slow. Nah, hard pass. But trust me, our next destination makes Mercury look like a spa day. Venus, the acid bath. Venus, Earth's evil twin. At 465 degrees Celsius surface temperature, it's hotter than Mercury despite being further from the Sun. Why? Venus's dense atmosphere, 96.5% CO2, 3.5% nitrogen, creates a runaway greenhouse effect trapping heat. I'm descending through those beautiful yellow clouds. My suit's groaning like it's lifting weights. Normal, right? Oh, and is that rain? Wait, acid rain? 1 millisecond after landing, the pressure hits me like a truck. At 92 bars, Earth's is 1 bar, my suit starts buckling like a cheap tin can. The acid rain isn't just falling, it's eating through my suit's outer layer while the pressure tries to compress me into a human pancake. Half a second, core temperature shooting up to 40 degrees Celsius. Like I'm a turkey stuffed in an oven. Acid's chewing through my suit and this CO2 air's choking me. 5 seconds. Triple threat complete. Crushed, baked, and melted into an astronaut puddle. Venus gets a 1/10 point fastest death in the solar system, but absolutely brutal. Now let's visit our home. Earth, the deceptive paradise. Earth, the only planet with Wi-Fi, pizza, and a million creative ways to kill you. Don't let the pretty blue marble fool you. This place is a death trap disguised as paradise. I'm standing in a beautiful city with a gorgeous skyline. But wait, why is the ground shaking like it's having a seizure? 1 minute, massive earthquake hits. Magnitude 7.5. Buildings are collapsing like my hopes and dreams. I'm trapped under rubble, feeling like a squashed burrito. But Earth isn't done with me yet. A tsunami's roaring in. I'm gasping underwater, and a gang of sharks is circling, ready to turn me into sushi. Somehow, I crawl to shore. Phew, nice and warm. Wait, too hot. It's volcano. Gotta run. After all, you think that's it? No. Tariffs will crush you to the point where you won't even have bananas to eat. Just kidding. Breathe. The COVID virus is all around you, but seriously, if you're lucky, you could live to 100, surrounded by kids and grandkids, then peacefully turn to dust. I give Earth a 7 out of 10 point. Pizza's great, but danger is everywhere. So, what's the wildest way to go here? Quakes, sharks, lava, or viruses? Tell me in the comments. Now, speaking of red planets, Mars, the deceptive cousin. Mars is the red planet that looks like Earth's dusty cousin. Those cozy 20 degrees Celsius daytime temperatures seem nice until you realize what happens when the sun goes down. It drops to a bone-chilling minus 140 degrees Celsius at night, colder than an Arctic freezer. I'm landing on a beautiful red dune. The landscape is stunning, almost Earth-like, but something feels off. 15 seconds. Breathing feels like sucking through a straw. The atmosphere is only 0.6% of Earth's density, mostly carbon dioxide. My blood is literally starting to fizz like a shaken. The radiation here is 40 times stronger than Earth's. My cells are being fried while I suffocate. There's a dust storm approaching at 100 kilometers per hour. 2 minutes. Core temperature plummeting to 35 degrees Celsius as the sun sets. The dust storm hits and I can't see anything through the cosmic sandblasting. 5 minutes. I'm a frozen, irradiated, dust-covered popsicle? Mars, you sneaky killer. Time to visit the big boys. Jupiter, the cosmic blender. This gas giant has no solid surface, just endless layers of swirling death. It's like diving into a cosmic smoothie blender designed by a psychopath. I'm falling through Jupiter's upper atmosphere, surrounded by clouds of frozen ammonia at minus 150 degrees Celsius. 1 second, lightning bolt strikes, 10 times more powerful than Earth's. My suit lights up like a Christmas tree, and my hair is standing on end inside my helmet. The winds here reach 482 kilometers per hour, faster than most race cars. 2 minutes. The pressure is increasing exponentially. My bones are creaking like an old ship in a storm. I'm being compressed while simultaneously being electrocuted and flash frozen. Hours later, if I somehow survived this long, I'd reach Jupiter's core where temperatures hit 24,000 degrees Celsius, 4.5 times hotter than the sun's surface. I give Jupiter a 5 out of 10, wild ride, but no thanks. Saturn, the beautiful killer. Saturn, the solar system's most photogenic planet, but don't let those gorgeous rings fool you. They're made of ice and rock chunks traveling at 70,000 kilometers per hour, basically cosmic bullets in a celestial firing range. I'm approaching Saturn's equator, mesmerized by the stunning rings and the red and purple auroras dancing in the atmosphere. The hurricane-force winds, 1,800 kilometers per hour, grab me like a leaf in a tornado. I'm being tossed around while the pressure builds to crushing levels. 2 minutes. The ammonia clouds are burning my skin through the suit breach. Temperature dropping to minus 250 degrees Celsius in some regions. 3 minutes. I'm being simultaneously shredded by winds, crushed by pressure, and roasted as I fall toward the molten core at 11,700 degrees Celsius. Saturn gets an 8 out of 10. Absolutely gorgeous, but it's like being killed by a supermodel wielding a chainsaw. Uranus, the sideways death trap. Uranus, the solar system's strangest ice giant. It spins on its side like a cosmic bowling ball, and yes, it literally rains diamonds here. But before you get excited about free jewelry, I'm plunging into Uranus's atmosphere. The methane gives everything a beautiful blue-green color, but that smell, it's like a billion rotten eggs. 1 second, the toxic methane atmosphere hits me. Even through my suit's filters, the smell is overwhelming. Temperature minus 224 degrees Celsius, colder than liquid nitrogen. Those diamonds I mentioned, they're not gifts, they're ammunition. Diamond raindrops are pelting me at 900 kilometers per hour like sparkly bullets from hell. 2 minutes, a diamond the size of a marble hits my helmet visor. The pressure is building to crushing levels while I'm being flash frozen and poisoned. Uranus get 10 out of 10 for style, but 0 for survival. Neptune, the wind demon. Neptune, the solar system's blue beauty and ultimate wind demon. The winds here make Earth's hurricanes look like gentle breezes. I'm dropping into Neptune's striking blue atmosphere, 30 times farther from the sun than Earth. It's incredibly dark and cold. 1 second, the winds hit me at 2,400 kilometers per hour, faster than the speed of sound. I'm being flung around like a paper airplane in a windstorm. Like Uranus, it's raining diamonds here too, but these are moving at supersonic speeds thanks to those insane winds. 2 minutes. A diamond shard slices through my suit like a cosmic shuriken. Neptune gets a 9 out of 10. Stunning but merciless, like being killed by a beautiful ice goddess with a sword collection. Pluto, the forgotten killer. Pluto, the little guy that everyone loves, but science demoted to dwarf planet. Don't let its size fool you. This cosmic ice cube still has some tricks up its sleeve. I'm landing on Pluto's icy surface. It's so far from the sun that solar panels wouldn't work here. It's like being in a cosmic deep freezer. 10 seconds. The thin atmosphere of nitrogen and methane, offers no protection from cosmic radiation. At minus 229 degrees Celsius, I'm instantly flash frozen. 3 minutes. I'm a radiated ice sculpture floating in space. Pluto gets a 4 out of 10. Cute but deadly, like a cosmic puppy with rabies. Whew, I've died on every planet. 9 times. And my suit's warranty? Totally voided. Who do I call for a refund on this space trip? Wait, what's that? Is K218b an exoplanet outside our solar system? It's got water, maybe life? Hold up. If I land there, how am I going to die?